What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And today we're going to be talking about a mod that is actually very common, and this time we're not going to be focusing on anything performance related. We're actually going to be talking about the exterior of my car. As you guys know, probably can already tell by now, I hold off on my exterior mods a lot because I want to focus on my engine, want to focus on performance, and that's just the way I'm driven. I mean, that's my preference, but that's not to say that I don't like to do exterior mods. I actually really do. The problem is that I have to pick. I'm either doing exterior or performance or interior. I mean, you know, I don't feel like doing all at once, because once I start on something, I get really focused on it and then I just want to get it done. But since my car is down and it's going to be down for at least a few more weeks, I decided that it'd be a good idea to do some small touches to the outside. And we're going to be starting off with these mirror caps. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, these mirror caps are upgradable. You can switch them out, and you know, it's like any other car part. You can pretty much take these off and put whatever you want on it. One of the most common things that people do is they put carbon fiber mirror caps on their cars, and you know, depending on your taste, you might leave it in the stock design, or you might upgrade them to the M style carbon mirror caps. So what I'm doing today is I'm actually upgrading to the M style mirror caps, and the mirror caps that I decided to go with are actually these right here. And as you can see, they got the little spike thing that kind of looks like the M cars. These are actually from Keys Motorsports, and I didn't actually get them from Keys though. I got them from my friend James, and he basically gave them away because he was turning in his car, his 435, to get an M4, and wanted to get as many of those parts off that he could, that he wasn't just gonna use anymore. So I asked him if I could buy them from him, so I did, and they're in really good shape, so that's why I pulled the trigger on it. Now, as you guys know, many companies make these, and you can find them pretty much anywhere, but I'll leave a link below that you guys can go to and get these from. Now, the way to change these out is actually kind of simple, but I've seen it done two different ways. There's a way where you remove the mirror first, and then through the inside you go in and take it off. But the way I do it is I just kind of pull them off, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if that's the correct way to do it or not, but it works, and that's the way I'm doing it. And if you don't like the way I do it, then you don't have to do the way I do it. But we're gonna go ahead and replace these, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did, and hopefully you can do the same. Alright guys, so I feel like I'm gonna get flamed in the comments for this, but it's okay. I don't care. It's a DIY. You do it however you want. But so there are these special plastic tools that you can use to remove these plastic pieces. This one has kind of like an angle to it, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to pry off, and I will leave a link below for a basic tool set that you can buy. They're really cheap. They can't be more than 20 bucks, and you'll find something like this in there that will help you pry these off. Essentially, there is a groove right here where you can stick this plastic tool, and you want to be easy with it. You don't want to be too harsh. After all, it's plastic. You don't want to damage it. What I have done before is I've inserted the smaller side and go on here on like the edge, and then slowly find your way around. And one thing to remember is these are kind of, there are these little brackets that are inserted in there. You just want to be easy with them. You don't want to break them. And that's why most people go ahead and remove the mirror and then do it that way, because they don't want to break it. And this is a riskier method, so just keep that in mind. Oh, just like that, it popped off. You guys can see there are these little, they're kind of like teeth that go into these holes right here. And that's why most people do it just from the inside, because you can pretty much push them in and you'll be able to take it off. But I feel like I would rather break this piece of plastic than to break the mirror that's right here, because I have a feeling this is going to cost a lot more to replace. So you just kind of gotta weigh out your options there. And this is the new mirror cap. It's carbon fiber. So what we're gonna do now is actually pretty simple. We're just gonna guide it. So you just want to make sure that everything is aligned where it needs to be, and don't put too much force on it. Once you find that it is in the position that it needs to be, though, you can go ahead and be more confident with it. And then you hear the clicks. You see everything is now flush along here. Nothing is sticking out or anything. Anyway guys, that was it for the installation. It is very simple, like I said. And guys, if you don't like the method that I used, don't worry about it. You know, I'm sure you can find the method online. That's just what I decided to use. It's not, I just don't want to, I kind of weigh out my options. I'd rather break the plastic than the glass. And that's just my personal preference. If you don't like to do it like this, fine by me. I'm sure there are other people that do it a different way. But anyway guys, that was a simple DIY. I just kind of want to show you guys what I'm doing out here with the carbon fiber. I think I'm gonna add more carbon fiber soon to a lot more parts. And for those of you that haven't looked at my Instagram, I got new wheels. These are the 437Ms and they're powder coated black. And I just think that they look really good. Makes the blue caliper stand out. Anyway guys, that has been it for today. A very, very simple DIY. And I hope you guys can follow it. It's very, 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 very simple. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, like always, leave your comments in the description down below. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about anything, you can leave it down in the comment, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Also, follow me on my social media. And I just launched my website. It's NoClutchGarage.com. And there will be a lot more things coming to that website, but for now I'm going to start off by listing all my mods, all the mods that are in the description down below. In these videos, all those mods are going to be there with links to those items, and also there are going to be links to the videos related to those items. And that's just my starting point. There's going to be merch coming soon, and I'm really excited about that. So guys, looks like the channel is growing, and I'm really excited. And thank you guys for all your support. I'll see you next video. Peace.